lang, good boy, diba? And to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, natin kawalan mo this morning. Tuturuan din tayo ni Jumbo how to ride a scooter. Gumagay, marunong mag-scooter ng Jumbo. Ayan, sakay ulit boy. And sigan. O daan-daan, tulos yung tempo natin, eh. Para lang, good boy. As you can see guys, even our animals love to help our Mother Nature. We can also do our part by the way reduce, recycle, and repurpose, or some alternative waste for our transportation. Now that's all for Jumbo guys. Palakpakan naman natin sila. At syempre, ang kanyang Boeing trainer, na si Kuya Boy. Thank you so much to the both of you. Now guys, here in Davao Capital Park in Zoo, we have 4 species of cactus. First is the sulfur